All-Fill's model B350E is our economical auger filler designed to volumetrically fill your free-flow and non-free-flow products. Model B350E can fill your free-flow or non-free-flow products volumetrically. This model comes standard with a floor base. As an option, we offer an open frame with locking casters and column height adjustment. Also standard with our B350E is our color touchscreen HMI with up to 10 programmable recipes. A foot switch is used for operators to initiate a fill cycle from the machine. Safety disconnect is used to detect tooling and avoid injury if there is none present. Disassembly and switching tooling is a breeze with All-Fill's toolless changeout. Additional options for the B350E include work platform, in-feed device, in-feed chute, cutoff devices, and more. For more info, email us at info@allfill.com or call us at 610-524-7350.